at SeaWorld and we're in the Wild Arctic. Can I have the camera? So here we are. Oh my god.
She was just like, this is harassment. I like how she was just like, you need to move.
Alright, let's go to the coldest part. Let's go to the coldest part of the Wild Arctic. Guys, be careful. This place is so cold that you might feel it through the phone. Well, maybe not, but it's freezing here. Guys, we're exiting this place. I know you guys liked it, but it's freezing there. You know, it's just freezing there. Hey Jack, where are we going?
We are going to go to the purple roller coaster in Sesame Street Land.
It's the pink roller coaster.
Okay, I'm corrected. The pink roller coaster.
Should we go to the Shamu station first?
That's not for another 40 minutes, so we have time to go there and then come back.
All right.
Why don't we read this for our viewers? Why don't you read it out loud?
The Arctic is closer than you think. Your actions count no matter where you live. We're back. There's Kraken. Yeah, my pet Kraken's over there. My pet Kraken's over there. I have a pet Kraken over there. I have a pet Mako over there. And where's my pet penguin? My pet penguin's over there. You see those white tracks? Those white tracks are my pet penguin. And those dark blue tracks are my pet manta. And guys, maybe we'll even vlog. Maybe like and subscribe for some more vlogs. Well, maybe we'll even do an Aquatica. That looks like it's closed. There's the flamingo paddle boats. There's the orca show. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry if it's a little blurry. Look at that lake. Look at that lake. Dude, look at that lake. Look how much fountains there are. Look at that. Look how much fountains there are in that lake. Here's the underwater viewing. Let's go check if they're there. We have a seasons pass and they weren't here yesterday, so let's go check it out. Sorry if the camera's a little low. I'm a kid filming this, so that's why the camera's a little low. Here, let me put it up higher. There.
This way in the shade or this way?
Let's go this way in the shade. This one's fast to the shade. Orcas. Here it is. Window 1. I want to keep it low in case. Nope. I think the thing is they're at the very side. That might be our answer. Here, have the cam. my fingers kind of. It's very comfy.
What are you sitting in?
Testing.
Of?
Ice cream. I'm not gonna lie, I cannot move my legs at all, but it's very comfy. It's very comfy, but I cannot move my legs at all.
Do you want to ride the ride when it opens up?
No. So we're getting a little lunch. Or maybe not lunch, but little meal. I'm just not drinking it right now because I'm filming and I don't wanna drop it. Make sure to like and subscribe.